Did you know that you can make up to $1,500 per week just by re-uploading short videos onto YouTube? Here in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use short videos to make money on YouTube without creating them. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Short videos are getting a lot of views right now. As you can see, when you come to YouTube, you can see that this one has got 40 million views. You can see 5.5 million views. You can see 1 million views. When you come to TikTok, these videos are also going viral. As you can see, 70 million views. You can see 26 million views. You can see 5.9 million views. So as I scroll, you can see a lot more. You can see 53 million views. You can see 13.8 million views. You can see 32.4 million views. So we are going to use the power of this video so that we can use it to promote affiliate products. So these videos are going viral, so it means when you promote your product with these videos, you are going to reach a lot of people to purchase the product. So when you come to YouTube, you can see that YouTube Shorts, there are videos that are less than 1 minute. So as you can see, this one is 18 seconds. You can see 44 seconds, 42 seconds. So we are going to use TikTok videos to make YouTube Shorts so that we can get a lot of people to view the video and then purchase an affiliate product that we are going to promote alongside the video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to TikTok. When you come to TikTok, you are going to scroll and then find a viral video here. So you can select the dog niche. So this is a niche that you can get a lot of views. So you are going to scroll and then select one. So once you select one, for example, you are going to go with this one. So as you can see, that is the video. Once you play, that is how it is. But people like this kind of videos. As you can see, it has got up to 8.1 million likes. So people like this kind of video. So we are going to use this video to make a YouTube short and then upload it to YouTube so that we can drive traffic to an affiliate product. So as you can see, it's just 8 seconds, and this is an ideal video for YouTube Shorts. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, search for a TikTok video downloader. So when you search download TikTok video, so you are going to come right here and select TikMate.online. So this particular downloader, when you download TikTok videos, you are not going to see watermarks on them. So you can see there are a lot of them, so you can select any one that you want. So I usually use this one, so I'm going to use this one to demonstrate for you. So you are going to open it. So once you open it, the next thing is that you are going to copy the TikTok video link and then paste it here so that you can then download it onto your PC. So when you come back to our video, you are going to just come right here and then copy this link. So we are going to start from here and then we are going to copy the entire link. So as you can see, we are going to copy the link of this particular video. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back to TikMate and you are going to paste your link right here. So once you paste your link, you are going to click on download and you are going to get the video to download. As you can see, this is the video, and then you are going to come right here and then download server. So you are going to download it as a video onto your PC. So as you can see, it is downloading right here. So once this is done, the next thing is that you are going to come to Canva and then create a short video. You can use any video editor, but I'm going to use Canva to create a short video for you to see. So as you can see, you are going to come here and then select videos. So once you select video, you are going to scroll and then select mobile video. So you are going to select this option. This is the ideal video size for YouTube Shorts. So you are going to select that. Once you select mobile video, you are going to see a page like this. So let me zoom it for you to see. So as you can see, once that is done, you are going to see a page like this. The next thing is that you are going to upload your video here. So the video that we downloaded on TikTok, we are going to upload it right here. So as you can see, this is the video and we are going to drag it onto Canva and then we can create the short videos. So we are going to drag the video and then send it to your design. So as you can see, you are going to drag it. Once you drag it, you are going to paste it right here. So as you can see, this is the video and you can play it right here. So when you click on it, you are going to play it. As you can see, so as you can see, that is the video. So let's open it a little bit so that it can look nice. So we are going to expand it this way. So as you can see, that is the video. So as you can see, we are going to make it like this. As you can see, everything looks nice. So you can see it has been expanded. So as you can see right here, as you can see, so that has been done. So we are going to create a next page. So you are going to come here, click on add page. So once you click on add page, this time we are going to now put a call to action on this page, so that when people view the video, they can then take an action for you to earn money. So we are going to put a simple call to action right here. So you are going to come here and then select text. So once you select text, you are going to click on this add a heading, and you can add a heading right here. So as you can see, we are going to put our call to action right here. So here you are going to type something like check the description box to join our dog training course. We are going to put something like this, check in the description box. Okay, let's say check in the description box to join our dog training course. So we are going to put something like this. So as you can see, we are going to drag it upwards. So as you can see, that is done. Let me increase the font size. Okay, let me increase it. Well, so as you can see, that is it. The next thing is that we are going to put an image of a dog here. So as you can see, we are going to come right here and click on more. Once you click on more, you are going to come to Pixabay. So you are going to click on this particular icon. Once you click on Pixabay, you are going to search for dog. So once you search for a dog, you can see these are dog videos. So we are going to select this particular dog, and as you can see right here, so we are going to expand it. Okay, so as you can see, so you are going to expand it this way. Okay, I think that is okay. Let me scroll. Okay, so let's bring this down a little bit. So let's choose the background color for this text. So you are going to come right here and then click on background. Once you click on background, you are going to choose a background color for this text. So let's go with this particular option. As you can see, let me click for you to view it. So you are going to come here, and you can see this is the short video that we have created, and you can see that the length of this video is 13 seconds. So this is very nice for YouTube Shorts. As you can see, everything is in place. So let me preview it for you to see. So we are going to click on play, and it will be played for you to see. As you can see, so as you can see, this is how it is. So we are going to close the preview. So what we are going to do is that we are going to download this video and re-upload it onto YouTube as a short video, so that we can use it to promote an affiliate product. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on download. So once you click on download, we are going to leave it as video. So once that is done, we are going to leave all 2 pages. So we are going to leave it as that. So once that is done, you are going to click on download, and your video will be downloaded onto your PC. So the next thing is that you are going to come to your YouTube accounts, and what you are going to do, you are going to click on this particular plus sign. So you click on it, create, and you are going to upload the video onto your YouTube account. So you are going to click on upload video. So we are going to upload a video right here. So you click on select file. So you are going to come here, and then you are going to select the video. Once you select the video, open, and the video is going to be uploaded onto your YouTube accounts. As you can see, this is the video, and it is uploading right here. So now, as you can see, the video has finished uploading. So we are now going to rank this video on YouTube. So let's select no, it is not made for kids. So we are going to select that. So the next thing is that you are going to add tags so that this video can rank on YouTube. So you are going to come right here, and then you are going to look at these videos. So as you can see, this one has got over 8 million views. You can see 353 million views, and when we scroll down, you can see that most of these videos are getting views. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to rank our video alongside this video. So we want our video to be ranked with this video. So you, or any of these video that you want, you are going to select that. So we are going to rank it with this particular video. So what you are going to do is that you are going to open it. So once you open it, you are going to copy the title of this particular video. So you are going to copy that. Once you copy it, you are going to use that as the title for your video. So you are going to come here and then delete this. So as you can see, you are going to paste that as your title. So the next thing is that you are going to copy the tags of that video. So as you can see right here, vidIQ is suggesting some keywords. So let's add that. Funny videos, we are going to add that. You can see cute dogs, you can see added that. Let's add cute dogs video. So as you can see, qdoc video. So as you can see, these are some tags. You can also come back right to this video, and we are going to copy the tags of this video. So as you can see them right here, we are going to copy each of them. So as you can see, we are going to copy this particular tags. So we are going to paste it right here. So I'm going to copy all the tags and come back to you. So as you can see, these are the tags. Once that is done, you are going to come to the description, and here you are going to put your affiliate link right here, so that when people watch the video, they can then come to the description box and then join the course for you to earn a commission. So let's type that. So as you can see, this is my simple call to action. You can see, join the dog training course today to transform your dog's behavior very fast. Click here. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you are going to go to ClickBank. Once you come back to ClickBank, you are going to click on the marketplace. So you click on that so that we can now get a product to promote. So once you click on the marketplace, you are going to scroll down, and then you are going to come to home and garden category. So you are going to open that category. So once you open the home and garden category, you are going to scroll down. As you can see, when you come here, you can see that there are a lot of products that you can promote. So you are going to promote one of these products. So as you can see, so what you are going to do, you are going to come right here and then select this product. So you are going to click on the promote button. So you click on that. So once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do, you are going to enter your account's nickname. Once you enter that, you are going to click on generate hop link. You are going to get your affiliate link. So as you can see, this is your unique affiliate link. So when they buy the product through this link, we are going to earn a commission. So you are going to click on copy link. So once you get your affiliate link, you are going to come to bit.ly.com, and here, as you can see, you are going to create a free account if you are new. So once you log in, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is you are going to click on create. So once you click on create, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here so that it can be shortened, because this link looks spammy, so you don't want it that way, so you want to shorten it. So you are going to click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a shortened link like this, but we are going to customize the links. So as you can see, you are going to delete this particular numbers up to this point, and you can type your custom text here. So let me do that. I'll just put my customized text here. As you can see, dog training course. So remember to always add the numbers, because if you don't add the numbers, it will not be shortened. So as you can see, once that is done, you are going to click on save, and as you can see, once you click on save, you are going to come right here and then click on copy link. So once you copy the link, you are going to come to the video and you're going to paste your link right here. So once you paste your link, you are going to come here and then click on next, and you are going to publish your video onto YouTube. So as you can see, you are going to select public. Once you select public, you are going to click on publish, and this video is going to go live onto YouTube. That is how you make YouTube Shorts video, and you are going to get people to view this particular video. So as you can see, this is the video, and you can see it is live on YouTube. So when you come here, you can see this is the design. So that is it. When you scroll down, you can see that the affiliate link is right here. So that is how you use the power of YouTube Shorts to make money with YouTube. As you can see, these are simple videos to make, so you don't have to make one video and stop. You are going to be making a lot of YouTube Shorts so that you can get people to buy the product for you to earn a commission. So make sure you keep on uploading many videos. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.